Minasan, konnichiwa. Kaycee desu. This is asking and telling time in Japanese. Hello everyone, this is Kaycee, and for today's video, as you can see on the title, this is about how to ask and tell time in Japanese. So are you guys ready for this? Let's start! Our sentence for asking the time is, what time is it now? In Japanese, it is, Ima nanji desu ka? Ima nanji desu ka? Let's break that down, shall we? So first we have ima, which means now. Second, we have nan, which comes from the word nani, meaning what. Remember our previous topic? And then we have ji, meaning o'clock, and this is in terms of hours. We also have des, and this is our be verbs, or it is to be. And lastly, we have ka. Remember this? This is added to form a question. So now that we know how to ask time in Japanese, let's start learning the answer in hours. Our formula would be number plus ji. Do you remember our topic in numbers? Let's start with 1 o'clock. In Japanese, it is ichiji. And to be more specific, AM is gozen and PM is gogo. 1 AM is gozen ichiji. 1 PM is gogo ichiji. 2 o'clock is niji. 2 AM is gozen niji. 2 PM is gogo niji. 3 o'clock is sanji. 3 AM is gozen sanji. 3 PM is gogo sanji. 4 o'clock is yoji. Remember, it should be yoji, not yonji. Also, we can say shiji. 4 AM is gozen yoji. 4 PM is gogo yoji. 5 o'clock is goji. 5 AM is gozen goji. 5 PM is gogo goji. 6 o'clock is rokuji. 6 AM is gozen rokuji. 6 PM is gogo rokuji. 7 o'clock is shichiji. And we can also say nanaji. 7 AM is gozen shichiji. 7 PM is gogo shichiji. 8 o'clock is hachiji. 8 AM is gozen hachiji. 8 PM is gogo hachiji. 9 o'clock is kuji. And remember, it should be kuji and not kyuji. 9 AM is gozen kuji. 9 PM is gogo kuji. 10 o'clock is juji. 10 AM is gozen juji. 10 PM is gogo juji. 11 o'clock is ju ichiji. 11 AM is gozen ju ichiji. 11 PM is gogo ju ichiji. And lastly, we have 12 o'clock is juniji. 12 AM is gozen juniji. 12 PM is gogo juniji. Let's try the following examples. How do we say, what time is it now in Tokyo? Tokyo wa ima nanji desu ka? Tokyo wa ima nanji desu ka? For example, it is now 7 AM in Tokyo. How do we say that in Japanese? 午前7時です. Another example is 11 p.m. Can you try this in Japanese? Gogo 11時です. Now let's try if it is 3:30 a.m. And in Japanese it is 午前3時半です. We will say han to mean half past the hour. Second example would be, what time is it now in New York? In Japanese it is ニューヨークは今何時ですか? ニューヨークは今何時ですか? For example, it is 12 p.m. in New York. And in Japanese it is 午後12時です. For example, it is 9:30 in the morning. How do we say that in Japanese? 午前9時半です. And lastly, for example, it is 6:30 a.m. In Japanese, it is 午前6時半です. And next, how do we say the time in minutes? Our formula would be number plus fun or pun. It will vary depending on how you say the number in minutes. 1 minute is 1分. Kindly take note that it is not 1分, but it is 1分. For 2 minutes, it is 2分. 3 minutes is 3分. 4 minutes, 4分. 5 minutes, 5分. 6 minutes is 6分. Kindly take note that it is not 6分, but it is 6分. For 7 minutes, it is 7分. 8 minutes, it is 8分. As for 9 minutes, it is 9分. 10 minutes, it is 10分. 11 minutes, 11分. 12 minutes, 12分. 13 minutes, 13分. 14 minutes, 14分. 15 minutes, 15分. 16 minutes is 16分. 17 minutes, 17分. 18 minutes, 18分. Or it can be 18分. 19 minutes is 19分. 20 minutes is 20分 or 20分. 30 minutes is 30分 or it can be 30分. 40 minutes is 40分 or it can be 40分. Lastly, 50 minutes is 50分 or 50分. Let's now have the following examples. Sample number 1, we have 4:25. How do we say this in Japanese? And it is 4時25分です. もう一度4時25分です. Second example is 9:43. How do we say this in Japanese? 9時43分です. もう一度9時43分です. So, ayan guys, sana nakatulong tong video na to or kaya naman ay nakadagdag sa knowledge ninyo on about asking and telling time in Japanese. So, with that, you are now ready to answer, Ima nanji desu ka? Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to leave a comment, you may do so. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck! Ganbatte kudasai! Arigatou gozaimasu! Bye-bye! Ja ne!